Hey YouTube, do you hear that? Okay, I will. That's right, this fire alarm is going off. I was in the shower having a nice quiet time until this alarm went off. This is a KIDDIE, if the camera will focus. This is a KIDDIE 10-year smoke alarm. I don't know why it won't shut up. It's push to test weekly, push to hush. Like this. See that? The stupid alarm won't shut up. What is the jibe of this alarm? Stop, you stupid. Alright. I'm pushing down. This stupid piece of crap won't stop. All she needs is to read, so might as well take it upstairs.